Draw and tell a story. The story can be different from the picture. There was a monkey. The monkey was walking down the street and he saw a box lying in a forest that was supposed to be empty. The monkey had no idea how to open it, so he kicked the box, scratched it with his nails, and even gnawed at it, finally using his brain to poke the hole with a bow. Finally, the box opened. There was another box in the hard open box. Oh my god, it also got a balloon. A box with balloon goes up into the sky, but fortunately, it is no longer moving because it is caught by branches. Monkey wanted to wear balloons in the same way like a box, but all the monkeys had was an egg he had stolen at the morning because he was so hungry. Then, making things worse, the angry dragon saw the egg in Monkey's hand, ran to the monkey and belched out a fire. Thinking it cannot just let it be happen, the monkey tried to overpower Dragon with the most largest branch in his sight. Compared to the dragon, however, the branch was ridiculously small. However, the monkey who can escape among the trees fastly won a physical strength fight against the dragon. The monkey was too fast to catch up with. Finally, the dragon who gave up went away. The dragon left, but the monkey had to clear the fire that the dragon had belched. Fortunately, the area where the monkey lives was just in the rainy season, and there was a flood of showers. After a long period of rain, the monkey had to deal with the forest that had stopped showering and had become sea-like. It was like a deep sea. The monkey took a long, long hose from somewhere, connected it from the forest to the lake, drained all the water, and climbed up the tree to open the box. The box brought from the tree contained a banana cake, which the monkey liked the most, with the decoration written, "Be creative." Be creative.